Dear students, today we will see the laxative topic. The objectives of this topic is that after completion of this lecture, you would be able to know about the definition, classification and uses of the laxatives. Laxatives is a Latin term means luxer means to loosen. Drugs which looses the bowels, that is intestine, or the drugs which producing, increasing and hastening the intestinal evacuation. Drugs which promote defecation. Defecation means to push out the excreta from the body through the anus. Laxatives are classified as follows. Depending upon their intensities of the drugs and their effect, they are classified as laxatives. Very first class. Laxative means to loosen the bowels, that is, eliminate the soft form stools. They are also known as mild purgatives. The examples of laxative is Carayagum, Senna, carboxymethyl cellulose, isabgol, liquid paraffin, bran. The second class of laxative is purgative. Purgative means drugs which evacuates the bowels. It is also known as a fluid evacuation. And the example of these purgative drugs are castor oil and aloe. One more drug is again there, that is Cascara sagrada. The rhubarb is also used as a purgative. The next class of this is drastics. So drastics are the drugs, they act intensely by irritating the mucosa membrane of the intestine. For example, jalap, colocynth, podophyllum. The next class, depending upon the action of laxative, is hydrogogues. Hydrogogues produces watery evacuation through bowel. That is they produce a fluid motions. Example is croton oil, colocynth. The laxatives act by following mechanism. So they may act by formation of bulk. They may act by irritating the inner lining, the mucosa of intestine. They may act by forming the emollient action. Laxatives are used as follows. They are used in constipation. They are also used in evacuation of bowels prior to diagnostic procedure or surgery. So at last, in summary of this class, what we have discussed is the definition of laxatives. Laxatives are the drugs which loosens the bowels or the drugs producing or increasing and hastening the intestinal evacuation. They are used in constipation and in evacuation of bowels prior to diagnostic procedure or in surgery. In quiz question, very first quiz question, laxatives are used in constipation, diarrhea, dysentery, diabetes, and correct answer is constipation. Very second quiz question, identify the drugs which is used as laxative. Castor oil, senna, rhubarb, and very fourth is all of the above. Your correct answer is all of the above. So on this topic, frequently asked questions are: define the term laxative. Classify laxatives with suitable examples.